G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. Now, one of the big problems that we've just had is we had a month's worth of rain in one day and we've flooded out all of our excavation, and the walls and our cut-in has started to cave in. What has taken us now 2 weeks, we're going to take another week in cleaning all of these trenches out and reboxing areas out. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We've had so much rain that this is all caved in, so this is going to have to be dug out, and then we're going to have to box out the edge of this ready for the concrete to go in. You can see that it's all caved in down here. Look at all that mud. It makes it almost near impossible to walk through and work in. So again, just here we're going to have to empty all of this out and put a new boxing section at the back of it before we go any further. Here we can see more of the trenches all caved in. That was all finished off, but now this is going to have to be all dug out again, and our concrete load will expand due to the amount of additional concrete that's going to have to go into these trenches. All of the bottoms of these trenches here need to be flattened out properly, and as you can see, there's still a fair bit of work to do here. We're going to have to re-clean out all of these trenches, form up the edges wherever we need to where they've collapsed in, so that we've got a nice straight line for our concrete work. And this is another reason why a waffle slab, or what I like to call a raft slab, takes a lot shorter period of time to build than a proper conventional slab like this. This gets dug into the ground. We're not as susceptible to the weather if we do a waffle slab, whereas when we do a conventional slab like this, we had a month's worth of rain in one day and it's washed out the entire site, let alone caved in most of our edge beams. So we're going to have to redig all of those out. All of our edge beams have gone from a 350 up to a 500 edge beam wide, plus the depth. So there's another 150 millimeters per edge beam of concrete we're going to have to add to this. Here's inside the trenches, cleaning them out after we've had a month's worth of rain in one day. Every single trench is completely full of either mud or water, and half of our trenches have caved in. The cost of this isn't just in the financial sense, it's also in the time sense. So this has now just added an extra week of time to the project. A week of time then is a week of cost of wages, plus we have to push out all of the other trades. And usually if we have to push all the other trades out by a week, it means that we have to reshuffle everybody around, and we might not get everybody who has been booked in for that next stage. The implications of that is that we have to wait for whoever has to get in at the slab stage. So we've got hydronic heating to put through, we've still got steel to put through, the concrete has still got to come in, the electrical has to come in. There's a lot of other trades inside this section. So we've got to make sure that we've got them now whilst we've got the area open, because we're not going to get them in once the concrete pour's done. So it's super important. Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries about any of that, let me know and I'll answer them for you best I can, whenever I can. And like always, stay unreal, banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup.